Strongly bullish ACHR gained 11%, or rather 10%, in the regular session of the 17th of July 2025. The stock is also trending across retail investor communities as speculation grows about its potential to narrow the perceived valuation gap with its main rival, Joby Aviation. Many investors believe that ACHR's strategic partnerships, particularly its collaboration with the U.S. Department of Defense and major aerospace players like Stellantis and United Airlines, give it a strong foundation that could differentiate it in the competitive eVTOL market. Bullish traders are emphasizing Archer's relatively strong cash position, which they argue provides a runway for continued R&D, certification progress, and manufacturing ramp up without the immediate need for dilutive capital raises. This stands out in a sector where funding challenges have become a critical risk for many pre revenue companies. Technical traders in the community are sharing charts that highlight key resistance levels, noting that if ACHR can break through these zones with strong volume, it could trigger a short-term rally, especially with short interest still a factor. Many are also eyeing potential news catalysts from the upcoming reindustrialize event, where fresh updates on production timelines, partnerships, or certification milestones could generate momentum. Sentiment is further supported by the broader narrative that the advanced air mobility sector is nearing an inflection point, with first commercial flights projected within the next few years. For some, this sets up ACHR as a catch up play relative to Joby, which many believe has priced in more of its first mover advantage. However, some cautious voices in the discussion are warning that execution risks remain high. Regulatory hurdles could cause delays, and macroeconomic headwinds could challenge funding and demand projections. Even so, the dominant mood in recent threads is cautiously optimistic, with a focus on technical setups, upcoming news flows, and broader sector sentiment. So yeah, it's still holding the gains of roughly 10%. We have 13.48 intraday high in this session. Yeah, strongly bullish underlying trend. The 200-day moving average sloping bullishly upwards. Let's see now what we have. Higher prices expected to remain in place up to Monday, the 21st of July. After that, it might cycle, if not cycle neutrally, all the way towards Tuesday, the 26th of August. No guarantee that that will be the case. In terms of projections, what do we have? We have 12.3. It's a downward projection. Let's see what we have. Previously, before now, we had projections of 12.77, 14.02, 14.79. I think we may have some projections for the stock. Let me just have a look and see. We should have, I believe I saw it not long ago, ACHR. Let's see what we have for ACHR Aviation. Yeah, let's see what we have. It must be somewhere. Okay, in any case, we'll carry on anyway. We'll find out what the projections are. So we have as of Monday the 14th, we had 14.79, the most upper projection. Let's have a look down here at the weekly chart. We don't have upper project. We have all the projections from the least to the topmost that are currently in play. We have 2.6, 4.25, 6.93, 15.13, 18.82, and 21.1. Those are the projections that we have. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Yeah, higher prices are expected to remain in place up till Friday the 18th. Okay, and then after that, we will have. It's expected that they will um, correct towards the lows of around 12.06 by Monday, the 28th of July, or thereabouts. In terms of Fibonacci projections, what do we have? We have a down projection of 12.62. Okay, let's look at the 3 hour chart. What do we have? We have high prices extrapolated as well. We have 12.62 downward projection. 2 hour chart. What do we have? Yeah, 13.12, 13.48. I think 13.48 is where it got a rejection. Yeah, exactly where it got a rejection. Yeah, so that's still an upper projection regardless. So 1 hour chart, let's see what we have. Okay, down projections 9.78. We should have projections for ACHR. Yeah, definitely gonna find it somewhere. Shouldn't be far off. Yeah, we have them here. Okay, so yeah, still they're still within the sort of projections we had. We had 12.24, 13.06, 13.85. So still has that 13.85 to print, but we can modify our projections with what we have on the weekly chart. Yeah. So yeah, the projections on the weekly chart, they go all the way towards 21.1. No guarantee that those will print. So see what you make of ACHR, and thank you very much for watching this video.